Good afternoon, everyone. I'm going to talk about mindfulness. Okay, mindfulness gives you so many benefits. It's like you need to change some of your habits like overeating, some tensions, if you have some health problems like BP, etc. You can just make it cleared with the use of mindfulness. Mindfulness means living in the present moment. Present moment is the only thing we have in our control because past has already happened. We don't have any control over the past. Also about the future, it's about to come. There also we don't have any control. Only in the present moment we have control. We have to act completely in the present moment. We have to use all our resources in the present moment. That's the mindfulness means. It came from the Buddhist method of meditation. Okay, they used to practice this mindfulness and helped many people to cure lots of their phobias or tensions, stress, and day-to-day lives. Many of the problems are solved with this method. This method, mindfulness, you can practice in anything you do in your daily life. Like when you drink coffee, you can just enjoy a sip of coffee mindfully. Will give a very pleasant experience to yourself. Like you eating food, there also if you are doing it mindfully, it will give you more effect. I will just give you a demonstration of mindfulness eating so that you can really experience it. Okay, I will give you one thing each. Once I tell you to eat, then only you can start eating. Be patient.
Thank you.
Okay.
Ribbon also is there. Don't forget ribbon.
Okay.
Thank you.
Sorry.
That's all. Ribbon. You have it. Have it.
Sorry, I just forgot another man is there. Okay. Okay. Now you have this elunda or gingerly ball in your hand. You can just sense the shape of it with your hand. The texture also you can just sense it. Okay. Now you can just smell it. Smell. You can just smell it. It has got a very nice smell. Now you can just lick it. Not bite, just lick it. You are now tasting it. Right. Now you can just give it a small bite. Yeah. Now you heard the sound of this sound. Don't chew it. Just okay. If you have chewed, it's okay. You can take one more bite. You can take one more bite. It's okay. If you chewed it, you can take one more bite and just mix it with your saliva and just spread that saliva inside your mouth. Just feel the taste. You can just close your eyes and just feel the taste. Feel the taste. Let the taste moves. Let the taste get spread to all your taste buds. Now you can just simply chew it and swallow it.
Select the grapes.
I selected this in order to give you that sound. It is said in Ayurveda that when you eat something, you have to use the 5 senses and all the 5 fingers so as to enhance the effect of eating. And also this eating exercise, you can when you practice it well, you can just remove the overeating habit, obesity and other things like gastric problems, etc. like that. It is better to use your hands while you're eating so that you're sensing it with all your 5 fingers, because it said that the all 5 fingers has some connection with the 5 elements. So it's very good. Okay.
Balance also.
Yeah, sure. You can eat the balance also. And also it is said that while you eat something, brain takes at least 20 minutes to recognize that you have eat something. So while you eat slowly and consciously with all awareness, it will a little bit of food is needed for you to eat, so that it is very good to curb the hunger, and also obesity problems are reduced. So you can practice this with your morning coffee while eating. So while your work also, you can just give more awareness to it, and when you do it, it will give you more effect in it. Anything you can practice with it. Okay. So I think it is all clear to you all. Any questions you can ask me?
But time is a matter, no? You cannot just like this.
No, it is not like slowly. It is for the purpose of presentation. It is up to your time. You can just make it. That's it. Anything if you do it with full awareness, it will give you more effect. That's.
Can we get rid of some emotions as we do in NLP with this
Yeah.
mindfulness? Say for example anger.
Anger,
fear.
when you think
Being
of
in the
the
here and
anger
now.
in the here and now, if you get anger in the present moment, you don't stop, you don't suppress that emotion, just express it like that, and after a few moments you will think, oh my god, I have reacted like this. So at that time you will get more, because you are
Yeah.
expressing it, you will get
But
more aware.
we may not be able to think when we are angry.
No, you don't be able to think when you're angry, but after the moment, within a few minutes, you will be able to think, it is not good that I have being aware. So next time when you get into such a situation, you can just face it more in a more patient manner. Okay.
Give some feedback about
NLP. NLP, I first thought about something connected with psychology, and very brilliant, highly serious people will be there participating, because I don't have much.
You're not serious?
Yeah, you're serious. I mean, very bougie type people will be there.
You are not bougie?
But when I shared the moments these 5 days, it has given me such a good experience. It helped me to open up more, to experience with different types of people, different manner, and also it improved. I think it improved my linguistic skill and also my thinking ability. And very best thing I would like to say about this is, it helped me to understand how to disagree with someone in an agreeable manner. I just got some experience, and I just came to know about it through the NLP. Thank you.